Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to divide one decimal by another with JavaScript. So yeah, they just want us to change the 0.0 so that the quotient will equal 2.2. Whoo! Okay, so how do you multiply that? The variable quotient should equal 2.2. You should use this operator and divide 4.4 by 2. Oh, cool. Wow, they kind of just assume, I guess 4.4 is kind of obvious that this is going to be the thing. So I'm getting 4.4 from the test results here, and this should pass the test. Let's see, how else could we do this? We could go maybe make this one like 22.0 divided by 11. Would that work? Divide by 2. You should use the quotient. Maybe that's because quotient doesn't turn out to be so I'm just console logging the quotient, and this will give me the 2. Oh, okay, I see. It needs to be 22.2 in order to be 11. No? Oh, maybe 22.2 divided by 11.1. It still doesn't work. My division's a bit shaky here. Anyways, 4.4 divided by 2.2. Okay, so now I'm just pressing Command Z to get back to where I got it right the first time. This is what they're looking for? Yeah. Okay, so basically all they're talking about here is that we're going 4.4 divided by 2.0 gets us a quotient of 2.2. And if we were to console log the quotient, the result is 2.2. So we're setting a variable of quotient equal to 4.4 divided by 2.0, and then that once the quotient is saved to the result of this, it renders out as quotient, and that's 2.2. And so that's how you pass the test. What would be another one? You could be like 222.2 divided by 10. By 100. But that wouldn't work because, yeah, so we need to have it like that. 2.19. See, this is JavaScript being bad at math. So yeah, I'm just going to press Command Z a bunch, and that is going to be our result. Oh, the tests only want us to have one variable. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. I hope going into a little bit more detail was useful. If it was, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.